Look, guys.
Well, what does it
There's
say?
a gold coin on the note.
We're rich!
Tick-tock, you're running against the clock. The next hint is hidden under the rock. What rock, wizard?
Rock wizard?
Oh, I get it! The rock climbing area.
Oh, let's go!
Look, Thea, it's wizard.
Oh, hi, wizard! Oh,
Yeah, you're coming up.
oh, okay.
Tick-tock, you're almost at your mark. Where do you spin when you are at the park?
Oh.
Oh, I get it!
Yes? All right, let's
I'm
go.
the spinning thing.
Let's do it. Thanks, wizard.
Come on, Thea, it's this way.
Okay.
Look, Thea, here's wizard.
Oh, hi, wizard. Oh, what did he say?
He said that we have to go down this.
Oh, this
On the
must be
spin.
the slidey, spinny thing he was talking about.
Uh-huh.
That sure looks high, but I do see another clue down there.
Me too. I see the clover.
Okay. Wow. You're so good at that.
Come on, Thea, so I can read the clue.
Okay. Oh man! Wizard really sure made this a really big adventure.
Uh-huh.
Ah! Okay, what's our clue?
Tick-tock, before it gets dark. Make it to the top of the arc. Wizard, what's an arc?
Oh, so I think that means we have to go climbing again.
Okay, look, Thea, I can see 2 cauldrons.
Oh, wow, look at those clues. That's really high up. Ugh. Gotta use all your muscles for this.
I'm almost to the top, Thea.
I see. Oh,
I got him.
okay.
Here's number 1.
Here's number 1.
I'll get number 2.
Okay.
Got it.
Perfect.
Thea, there's no clue. There's just necklaces.
Oh, wow. You're right.
That's weird.
And another gold coin.
Thea, the wizard said, "Oh me, oh my." These necklaces will help you on your way to the Rainbow City to meet the leprechaun this day.
Wow. So we should put on our necklaces.
Yep, that's what
We
wizard
definitely
said.
want to get to the Rainbow City.
We definitely do, and we do want to meet the leprechaun.
Mm-hmm. So I think all of these golden coins,
We're supposed to collect for the leprechaun.
yes, they also might be a clue to where we're going next. We might need some money and some gold to get there. What do you think, wizard? Yup, he definitely said to hang on to our gold coins.
Yep,
All right, let's go.
I can too. Woohoo! Come on, bakers. Let's go look for more coins. No coins here. Look! I found 3 coins. bakers.
Where do you think these snacks that he's talking about would be?
I think I have an idea.
Okay.
You know what's in packaging, right?
Yeah.
So let's check in the cereal section.
Okay, let's go.
Lucky Charms!
Yes, look!
There's a clue over here.
Maybe there's another clue.
I don't see any.
There it is!
Tick-tock. We got some snacks. Now it's time to find our way back.
That's another clue, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, all right. I guess we're taking our snacks and we are heading out of here.
Let's go. We are here at the checkout.
Do you think that they'll accept our payment in gold coins? Let's hope so.
All right, bakers. Let's pay
With our gold coins.
Wizard, what's our next clue? Wizard said that I like to sneak in your backyard. So take a peek, it will be no harm.
Oh, I guess we're headed to the backyard.
Let's go! Yeah, look, I found Wizard.
Oh, you're right. He is there. And look, we made it to the rainbow he was telling us about.
And look, the pot of gold.
Yes.
Let's go.
So this is real grassy, so we have to be careful, okay? I think the best way is going to be to trail the fence to make it to the other side. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay.
Follow
Okay. Stingy Gingy!
Stingy, stingy, no mooching.
She's helping us along our way. You think the leprechaun will like our payments or per snack?
I think so.
Did we find more gold coins?
Yep, they're on here.
We have payments. All right, come on. We made it! We finally made it. What a long journey, and the leprechaun is here. I think her name was Blarney that you were telling me, right?
Uh-huh.
Like the stone?
Barney Stone.
Well, let's see if she likes her treat.
Uh-huh.
We got you a treat.
A tree.
I think she likes her treats.
Uh-huh.
And look at this huge pot of gold.
It's so cute.
It is so much gold coins, and aren't we so lucky? What a treat! Everyone gets to have the leprechaun's favorite treat, even Stingy Gingy. We thank you so much, bakers, for joining us on our magical leprechaun adventure. Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out our Instagram